we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process.